So this is my new soda making machine. I call it Mr. Fizzy. And I really love it because I don't drink soda pop. I don't even like sweet beverages at all. But I don't like drinking just plain old water either. So I was getting the cans of just soda water with the lemon or lime added. They have different flavors, but that's not very environmentally friendly. Now the only problem is, just like with when I got the singing bowl a couple of weeks ago, every time Rocky heard the singing bowl, he would just take off because he didn't know where that sound was coming from. And the same thing is happening with Mr. Fizzy. So I am going to go get Rocky, and let's get Rocky used to knowing where the sound is coming from so he knows he has nothing to be afraid of. He just woke up. You can see he's a little bit sleepy. Oh, come here, Rocky. Rocky, this is Mr. Fizzy. Watch this. Watch. I use this every day, and I don't want him, to be sitting down here in the kitchen where he often is when I'm in the kitchen, and then he'll just take off and be scared. Now he knows it came from Mr. Fizzy. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Take care and have a great day. Bye. This is the 2-shot fizziness. There's also a 3-shot and a 1-shot. But I think the 2-shot is the best for me.